How to buy Tesla stock. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually buy Tesla stock, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now there are basically many platforms out there that does help you buy the stock of Tesla. In this video I'm just going to actually use the Cash App application. So basically all you want to do is go ahead and then actually open up Cash App. Once you launch Cash App, just tap on the banking icon from the bottom left corner of the screen, and then here you'll find the option called invest in stocks, right? So just tap on invest in stocks. Basically once you see invest in stocks, you'll see many of the companies that does have stock opened up, or you can scroll and then simply look for Tesla, which is generally going to be at the top. In case you don't find it, then you can basically also just tap on the search button and then type in Tesla and then search for it. Basically once you tap on Tesla, you'll be able to see this. All you need to do is just tap on the buy button over here, because you can also see their growth. Just tap on the buy button, enter the amount that you actually want to invest in Tesla stock. So it could be $100 stock or $20 stock, whatever else type of stock that you might have, or you can also actually enter a custom amount. Then just tap on the next option. Now review your order and then just tap on the continue button. Now for this you have to verify identity, and once done, your Cash App stock will be successfully bought of Tesla. Now note that Cash App actually charges a fee for each stock purchase, so be sure to review the fees before making your purchase. And also keep in mind that investing in the stock market comes with risk, and it's important to make informed decisions based on your personal financial goals and risk tolerance. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.